must be visible to everyone. Okay, attendance I'll take in the last 10 minutes. Okay. So we were discussing heat and its effect, right? I have told you what is heat. It's a form of energy. I have told you what is the unit for heat. The unit of heat is joules or calories, right? Heat is measured in joules. ऐसा unit है heat की joules, that is denoted by J, and 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joules, as you are able to see over here. Okay, and 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calories. Okay, so this is the relationship between 1 calorie is equals to 4.184 joule. You may get this question in the MCQ, that what is the relationship between calories and joule? Okay, so 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. All right, and 1 kilocalorie is equals to 1000 calories. All right, so I have showed you what is heat, what are effects of heat. In the effects of heat, I have told you that heat may cause expansion, right? You know, yesterday what happened, I was not able to open the new bottle of jam. Okay, so what I do, I take a pan, I put some water in that, and I allowed that water to get heated up, right, get boiled. Now I put it that lid, that bottle, मैंने उस बॉटल को उल्टा करके और उस पैन के अंदर डाल दिया. ओके, दैट मीन्स मेरा जो वो लिड था जैम बॉटल का, वो डिप हो रहा था हॉट वाटर के अंदर. When it get dipped into the hot water, you know what happened? When it get dipped over there, what happened, Karthik and Shreya? Nobody has to unmute themselves. Nobody means nobody.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
How it is possible that I am not audible? Might be connectivity issue at your end. I am audible to everyone.
कोई बीच में बोल रहा था तो आपकी अटक अटक के आ रही है.
Now you guys have to tell me in the chat box only whether I am audible or not. Okay. So I was telling you the effects of heat, right? So I was telling you about my yesterday's. I was giving you the example that I was not able to open the lid of the jam bottle, the new one. So I have put that into the hot pan which is having the boiled water, and I kept it over there for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, right? After 10 to 15 minutes, when I kept when I took it out, I was able to open that lid. You know why? क्यों मैं अब खोल पाई उस बॉटल की ढक्कन को? क्योंकि जब वो गर्म पानी में था, तो then what happened? उसमें expansion हो गया, right? Heat की वजह से उसमें expansion हो गया, solids में expansion हो गया उस lid के अंदर, and now I was able to open it because उसके बीच में gap आ गया, and now I was able to open it. Okay, so what is the effect of heat? Expansion, right? I have given you so many examples for expansion. समझाए थे मैंने उस दिन. Okay. Next. Wait, Ritika. All of you wait once. Don't raise your hands. Okay. Next, I was telling you that it causes the change of state. Sorry. Right? It causes the change of state also. As if we are able to, by providing heat, I am able to convert solids into liquids, right? And liquids into gases. Okay, I have given you a simple example of ice. So that means I can change the state of material. Okay. Next, chemical change. आप सबने मुझे बहुत सारे examples दिए chemical change के, right? By providing heat, I can change the temperature also. I know this thing. right? If I provide heat to water, what will happen? Its temperature will change. It will start boiling and its temperature will be more. Okay, so these are the effects of heat that we have discussed. All right. Now heat causes expansion. I have explained you this thing. अभी अभी मैंने आपको जैम बॉटल के लिड का एग्जाम्पल दिया. ये एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो भी हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं ऑन previous class. Now let's discuss about expansion in liquid. Okay, first I'll go with this expansion in liquids and gases, and then I'm going to show you a small video. Okay, expansion in liquids. What I mean by this expansion in liquids, that give me 1 second. Okay. That liquids also get expanded, right? See, if I have taken a jar, okay, and now I'm allowing the water to get boiled in it, then what will happen? The water will start boiling, and if it is filled up to the brim, you know what I mean by up to the brim, यानी बिल्कुल उसको मैंने किनारे तक भर दिया है, अब मैं उसको boil कर रही हूँ, तो क्या होगा? Volume increase होगा water का, and water will start coming out. Okay, so this is what expansion is. Okay, here we have done one activity for this. See what we have taken over here. We have taken a flask. Are you able to see this round bottom flask? इसके अंदर मैंने colored water ले लिया है, ठीक है? And I have taken a stand, a Bunsen burner, a tripod stand, etc. to get it heated. Okay. Now I have closed this round bottom flask with a wooden cork, लकड़ी का ढक्कन. Wooden cork से मैंने इसको बंद कर दिया है, लेकिन wooden cork के बीच में I have marked placed a hole in this cork. Okay, मैंने एक hole कर दिया है, और उस hole के अंदर से मैंने क्या किया है, एक ग्लास रॉड डाल दी है, ठीक है? उतना ही होल किया है कि जस्ट one glass rod can enter inside. Okay, so when I allow it to get heated, जब मैं इसको गर्म कर रही हूँ, this round bottom flask is being heated, then you know what will happen when it will be heated? Then क्या होगा? Yes, the initial level of the water will increase, right? It will start heating this water, and the level will reach up to upper end. Okay, so that means colored water जो है वो expand हुआ जब हमने heat किया, and this is just due to the heat which is being provided. It is called thermal expansion. Thermal means which is happening because of heat. So it is known as thermal expansion in liquids. Okay. Now we are talking about expansion in gases. Okay. So molecules in gases are, as I have told you, they are far apart from each other. They are not so closely packed as the solids are. All right. So already they are too apart from each other, and when they get the heat, वो और ज्यादा दूर दूर हो जाते हैं, उनमें और ज्यादा काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ जाती है. ओके, सो द गैस मॉलिक्यूल हैव द मैक्सिमम फ्रीडम टू मूव अराउंड. ऑलराइट, इंडिपेंडेंटली दे कैन मूव हियर एंड देयर. और जब व्हेन यू हीट एनी गैस, क्या होता है, इनके बीच में काइनेटिक एनर्जी और बढ़ जाती है, स्पेस और इंक्रीज हो जाता है, वाइब्रेशन और इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं, एंड एवरेज डिस्टेंस बढ़ जाता है, इसीलिए एक्सपेंशन और ज्यादा होता है. You can take the example, your mother preparing food in the kitchen, and you get the smell of sizzling food sitting in the room. Okay, you might have asked your mother several times, "Mama, what you are preparing, what you are making, I'm getting very nice smell." Okay, so it happens with the hot food only, not with the cold one. जब वो खाना ठंडा हो जाएगा, then you will not get the hot sizzling smell while you are sitting in the room only. Okay, you have to go closer. आपको पास जाकर उसको smell करना पड़ेगा अगर खाना ठंडा हो गया है. But if the food is hot, you may get the smell sitting several meters away from the kitchen. Okay. Expansion in solids, I have explained that day also, Pari. Okay, if you are asking, I'll explain it again. See, during summer times, as I have told you, are you able to see railway tracks in this picture? Right? जब ये railway tracks बनाए जाते हैं, are you able to see the? Sorry, my page got turned. Okay. Are you able to see these small gaps which are being provided in these railway tracks? No. Why it happens? अगर नहीं देखा है, then whenever you guys will go to railway station, just check these railway tracks. They are having gaps between them. Why? Because when in the summer time, in the daytime, when the temperature is too high, these will expand. Okay? और जब ये फैलेंगे तो इनको फैलने के लिए थोड़ा सा स्पेस चाहिए होता है. अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा, then these railway tracks will break. Okay, so we don't want them to broke. So that's why we are leaving some space between them. Okay, same thing we used to do with the wiring. जब हम केबल वायर या कोई वायरिंग बांधते हैं पोल से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की, then too they are not tightly hang, right? उनको भी tightly नहीं बांधा जाता है. Why? Because when देखो समर टाइम में तो एक्सपेंशन होता है एंड विंटर टाइम में कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है, राइट? So when in the winter time they will get contracted, then what will happen? They need space. Okay, they need space to get contracted. You want to me to explain the activity of solid? What happened? इसके अंदर से ये किया गया है कि इस आयरन बॉल को गर्म किया गया है एंड नाउ उसके बाद उसको कूल किया गया है. देखो जब गर्म होगी तो ये एक्सपेंड होगी और जब वो कूल होगी तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगी. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, एक्सपेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन पर ही, राइट? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मीन्स बॉल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रही है, वापस से कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा ठंडे होने के बाद एंड नाउ you will be able to allow this ball to get into this ring. What you want? आप इस बॉल को इस रिंग में ही तो डालना चाह रहे हो. Metal ball was not getting passed through this ring earlier. Okay. Now what I have done, I have allowed this ball to get heated and then cooled. Okay. Now when it will get contract, थोड़ी सी contract हो जाएगी और अब भी इसमें से पास हो पाएगी. ठीक है. Let me unmute Asta. Asta wants to ask something. Okay, Asta. Okay, Pari understood this topic and now I'm going to Asta. Asta wants to ask something. Coming to you, Asta. Yes, Asta, you may unmute yourself.
Ma'am, in the paragraph expansion in gases.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is a word negligible, something
Yeah.
like that. So
Yes.
what does it mean?
Negligible means almost nothing. Negligible means जिसको आप neglect कर सकते हो, avoid कर सकते हो, right? जिसकी value बहुत कम है. Where it is okay. Yes. Force of attraction is almost negligible. That means उनके बीच में force of attraction बहुत कम होता है और वो एक दूसरे से far apart रहते हैं, दूर दूर रहते हैं. ओके आस्था?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, इसीलिए वो जल्दी फैल सकते हैं. देखो एक कोई बहुत ज्यादा अट्रैक्शन फोर्स के साथ बाउंडेड होगा तो आपको उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी की जरूरत होगी, राइट? एंड ऑलरेडी कोई दूर दूर खड़ा है. आई कैन टेक अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल. ओके, if I'm having 5 students with me, Asta, okay, and I have asked them to hold each other. मैंने उनको बोला कि एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के खड़े रहो. ठीक है, they are holding the hands of one another, all right? And to another group I'm asking not to hold the hands, just touch the finger of each other. Okay, just touch the fingers of each other and make a circle. So which one कौन से सर्कल को तोड़ने के लिए आपको ज्यादा एफर्ट्स की जरूरत होगी आस्था?
मैम जिसमें हैंड्स पकड़ रखे हैं.
Obviously, so in which they are holding the hands of each other, right? तो ऑलरेडी जो पास हैं उनको तोड़ने के लिए तो आपको एफर्ट्स लगाने पड़ेंगे, बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट गैसेस दे आर ऑलरेडी फार अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर एंड attraction force negligible है, that is almost nothing, almost negligible, avoidable. Okay, Asta, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sujal, what happened, Sujal? What's your doubt? Let me come to you. Yes, Sujal, you may unmute yourself.
मैम एक्सपेंशन इन लिक्विड्स.
लिक्विड्स भी तो एक्सपेंड होते हैं ना. आपने अगर एक किसी वेसल को कंप्लीटली फिल कर दिया उसके किनारे तक, एंड नाउ यू आर अलाउइंग इट टू गेट हीटेड, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? द वाटर विल स्टार्ट बॉइलिंग एंड इट विल स्टार्ट कमिंग आउट. व्हाई? बिकॉज एक्सपेंशन की वजह से उसका भी वॉल्यूम बढ़ गया, राइट?
यस मैम.
एंड इसी में आप एग्जांपल ले लो. सी इफ यू विल कीप अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, ओके, अगर एवेपोरेशन भी तो होता रहता है ना अपने आप से भी. तो इफ यू विल कीप अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर फॉर 4-5 days, जस्ट कीप इट असाइड एट द विंडो और समवेयर ओपन. आप 4-5 दिन बाद देखोगे तो आपको पानी का लेवल थोड़ा कम मिलेगा. वेयर द वाटर हैज गॉन, इट हैज evaporated. Okay, now let's discuss about the expansion in gases, right? Solids, I think everybody has made themselves clear. Gases का एक बहुत simple activity provided है. हमने क्या किया? We have taken a metal jar. Okay, कोई भी metal का jar ले लिया मैंने, और I have kept that metal jar into a water bath. Are you able to see in this picture? I have kept it into a water bath. गर्म पानी के टब में रख दिया मैंने उस मेटल के जार को. अब जब ये मेटल का जार गर्म हो जाएगा तो क्या होगा? When it will get heated, इसमें गर्म वेपर्स इसमें से निकलेंगी. इसके अंदर की जो एयर है वो गर्म हो जाएगी. And all of us know that warm air always rises in the upward direction. I repeat myself. Warm air always rises in the upward direction. गर्म हवा हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ उठती है. तो जब इसकी बॉटल के अंदर जो एयर थी अब वो गर्म हो गई. गर्म क्यों हो गई? क्योंकि आपने इसको गर्म पानी के वाटर बाथ में रखा हुआ है, राइट? दिस वाटर बाथ इज हैविंग हॉट वाटर. सो नाउ द गैस व्हिच इज ऑलरेडी, सी इफ एनी वेसल इज एम्प्टी देन टू, उसके अंदर गैस तो है. कुछ भी नहीं है तो भी गैसेस तो है. ओके, as we are our earth is having a layer of atmosphere which is having a combination of gases. So wherever you sit you are having gases around you. I hope you must be agree with me. And the gases are present in this empty bottle also, in this empty metal can also. So when I'm putting it into this water bath, what will happen? Hot air will rise up slowly and it will start inflating the balloon. ये balloon पहले deflated था, मैंने इसको फुलाया नहीं था balloon को, सिर्फ मैंने balloon को tightly बांध दिया था thread से. Okay, कहाँ बांधा था? इस बॉटल के माउथ पे. ओके, नाउ दिस बलून इज गेटिंग इन्फ्लेटेड स्लोली. धीरे धीरे ये बलून इन्फ्लेट होता जा रहा है, which shows the thermal expansion in gases. Okay, so if you are being asked that through an activity how can you prove the thermal expansion in gases, then you have to write this activity. Okay, so now expansion is clearer to everyone. Now I'm going to share a video with you. Okay, I think Asta and Sujal, okay, again they have muted themselves. So let me unmute someone. You can give me the Palak. Switch on your video. Palak Mulchani. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Vanchika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Devesh Motwani is having some doubt. Yes, Devesh. Yes, Devesh, you may unmute yourself. Devesh Motwani, are you having any doubt? You are unmuted. No doubt? Then keep yourself muted, Devesh. Yes, Varsha Vishali, unmute yourself. Let me know your doubt. Any doubt, Varsha Vishali? Yes, Vanchika. Now I'm going to share a video with you guys. Okay, give me 1 second to share that. I'm going to share now. Palak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me know whether it is audible also. Okay. Okay, it's having too low sound, so I'm going to explain. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, this video will show the heat effects and the modes of transfer. Okay. So let's watch it once. I think the content will be more clearer to you guys.
Yes, ma'am.
See, when your mama prepares food, na, if I put that karchi in that pan, then it will be hot. Okay?
Ma'am,
क्यों हुआ? Heat transfer हो गई, right?
excuse me, ma'am.
So what are the objectives? Yes, Palak?
मैम कहीं से बहुत ज्यादा वॉइस आ रही है.
Sorry?
आपने वर्षा वैशाली को भी अनम्यूट कर रखा है, पता नहीं कहीं से बहुत ज्यादा वॉइस आ रही है. बीच में आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
Varsha Vishali, if you are not sitting in a peaceful environment, please keep yourself muted.
Yes, अब बंद हो गई.
Okay, so what are the objectives of this? It will explain us the effect of heat. You will able to identify conduction, convection, and radiation, which are the modes of heat transmission. Good and bad conductors of heat. We'll be able to explain what are conductors, what are insulators, which are good conductors. Okay. Expansion of matter here. They are telling us water changes into water vapor on heating. We observe a change in temperature of heating of any object, right? Temperature rises. And on cooling, the temperature will lower down. Okay?
Yes,
That's why the days are warmer, the nights are cooler. This is also the effect of heat, change in temperature. Effect of heat, another is expansion of matter, as I have explained to you. Right? All the three states of matter are here.
yes, ma'am.
So it depends on the temperature through which it is heated. जब आप हीट करोगे इस प्लेट को तो क्या होगा? हाई टेम्परेचर पर जितना हाई टेम्परेचर ले जाओगे उतना ज्यादा एक्सपेंशन होगा. ओके, मेटल का. ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द साइज. जितनी ज्यादा बड़ी प्लेट होगी, जितनी बड़ी बॉल होगी, उतना ज्यादा एक्सपेंशन होगा. ओके. So
Yes,
effect
ma'am.
of heat is expansion of matter. Size of materials get changed sometimes. Liquids also, it happens in liquids also, expansion of matter in liquids. Gases. थर्मल एक्सपेंशन का आप डेली रूटीन में कहाँ करते हो? सी पुल्लक कार्ट वुडन व्हील्स खींच करके और उनमें फिक्स किए जाते हैं, राइट? This is the example. Railway tracks, I have given you the example. Fish plate of railway track. Expansion वाले concept को यहाँ पर हम use करते हैं. This is the application of expansion in our daily routine. How it changes the state, I have explained you, right? I have given you the example of ice.
Yes, ma'am.
Solid to liquid, liquid to gas. So heat can change, can cause the physical change also. State of matter, it can change. Temperature भी change हो रहा है. We are able to see in this thermometer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it has reached up to the boiling point, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. When a stove is lighted in the kitchen, the air inside the room becomes a bit warm. Okay, if the air is allowed to come out through an open window, it will gradually cool down. The metal sterile left in the cooking bowl become hot, and these example indicate that the bodies at high temperature lose heat, and consequently their temperature falls. When bodies gain heat, their temperature rises. गर्म हो जाता है, temperature बढ़ जाता है, and there is a mutual exchange of heat between bodies at different temperatures. See, very simple example I'll provide you. If I'm having a cup of tea and a glass of cold drink, right? मैंने दोनों को टच करवा के रखा है, दोनों कप्स को. थोड़ी देर बाद आप क्या देखोगे? गर्म हो गई और चाय ठंडी हो गई, right? This is what these conduction, reflection and radiation we are going to study this chapter. These are the modes of heat transfer, how the heat gets transferred.
Yes, ma'am.
How the sun's energy, sun की जो heat है वो आप तक कैसे पहुंच रही है? Radiation method से. यहाँ पर कोई source नहीं है, परंतु sun की heat आप तक पहुंच रही है through radiation. So this we are going to discuss more in this chapter. Let's see this video again. See, we are doing in this picture, we are heating a metal rod, right? मैंने एक एंड से एक मेटल की एल्यूमिनियम की रॉड ली है and I am going to heat it. थोड़ी देर बाद क्या दूसरा एंड भी गर्म हो जाएगा? जबकि मैं एंड को तो गर्म ही नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं तो सिर्फ एक एंड को गर्म कर रही हूँ, है ना? लेकिन हीट वहां से यहाँ ट्रांसफर होगी, बिकॉज हीट जो है वो हायर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, हायर लेवल से लो लेवल की तरफ जाती है. ओके, हीट ट्रांसफर होती है कंडक्शन के थ्रू. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
what is known as conduction. जब हीट ट्रांसफर होती है सॉलिड बॉडीज में एक पार्ट से दूसरे पार्ट की तरफ, known as conduction.
Yes, ma'am.
When the conduction will happen, when the two bodies will be in contact with one another, and secondly they would be having difference in their temperature. Okay, तभी तो high से low की तरफ temperature move करेगा. They should be having difference, and it will happen until and unless temperature will not get equal for both the ends of the rod. जब दोनों sides का temperature same हो जाएगा तो फिर ये conduction रुक जाएगा. ठीक है? I think let me clear this, and later on again I am going to show you this video for conduction, convection and radiation. Let me explain this once to you guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright. So now I am going to use the board to explain you more. Give me 1 second. Set the camera on the board. We are going to discuss that topic by theory of this temperature. Okay. Okay. Before discussing this temperature, I want to explain you this topic which has been studied in your book, hot and cold. See, what is hotness and what is coldness? It depends on us. ऐसा it's like that same object could be hotter sometimes for us and cool at another. Right? See, what we have done a simple activity that make it more clearer to you. What we have done, I have taken 3 bowls. Okay, one with the hot water, another one with the cold water, and third with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water means okay, and in the second one I have taken cold water, ice cold water. Okay, and in the third one mixed with lukewarm water. I am taking. Putting one finger into the cold one finger into the hot one. Okay, for a few minutes, 5 minutes, I'm putting my fingers in these 2 bowls. And now, when I put both these fingers of index fingers of mine into the third one, what I feel? Can you guys say what will I be able to feel? See, the finger which I have put in hot pan, that will feel right? उसको तो ठंडा महसूस होगा. And the another finger which I was the another finger, it's okay ना? Everyone समझ तो लो पहले. Okay. So what I was explaining. Okay. So one finger and in the hot cooler, right? ठंडे पानी में दी जब आप वाटर डालोगे तो उसको हॉट फील होगा, right? So this what it shows that we often decide that which object is hotter and which is cooler, right? By the feel only. You cannot rely on this. आप इस पे विश्वास नहीं कर सकते. नहीं तो proper apparent measure the temperature, measure the hotness of the body, right? And for that, we are going to use the thermometer. So here, temperature क्या होता है? तो आप hotness and coolness को measure करते हो, okay?
मैम आपकी वॉइस बीच में कट रही है.
I hope my voice will be more clearer to you guys now. Okay. So hotness and coldness of a body is relative. Okay, we can measure the degree of hotness and coldness by comparing it with the temperature it is having. Temperature high है, that means temperature कम है, that means coolness. Okay, so the degree of hotness and coldness of an object on same chosen scale is called the one scale. Okay, Let me check the chat box once. Susan, wait, have some patience. If I provide you the notes in our next class, आज आप समझ लीजिए. And one more thing I want to tell you guys that next class is coming on Friday. On Friday, I'll again take one mock test for you guys. Okay, already I have taken one. मैं एक और दूंगी for chapter 1 and 2. So be ready for that, everyone. Okay, I will send you the link. All right. Attendance I will take. That's my Hazar. Right, so I was explaining to you about the temperature. Temperature, what is the unit of temperature? Temperature I told you. Degree of. Actually, my marker is not working well. That's why. Okay, degree of hardness or coldness. All right. Is the temperature of any given object. Okay. Now, to measure this temperature, we are going to use the thermometer. If I talk about thermometer, we are having two types of thermometer. One is laboratory thermometer, and another one is clinical thermometer. Okay, so now we will discuss about the laboratory and the clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer जो clinics में use होता है, right? And जो labs में use होता है. See, both of them are having different temperature ranges in there. Okay, जो laboratory में होता है उसका temperature range high होता है, rather than this clinical thermometer. It's being used to measure the body temperature of humans. Earlier, we were using the thermometer with उसके अंदर mercury लगता था, right? But right now that mercury thermometer has been banned by the government because mercury is poisonous to us. All right. Nowadays we have started using the digital thermometer at the place of this or this clinical thermometer, which provides directly the reading over there. Okay. Furthermore, we will discuss in our next class. Be ready for the text in the next class. Okay. Yeah, it might be because the marker is actually not working properly. I kept it open after taking the class of 6, so now it's not working. All right, let me take the attendance once. Okay, I'm ending the class here.